to episode 2.5 of a Plush adventure. We are now introducing Mini Black Angry Bird and Devil Red Angry Bird.
Okay. Daddy? I'm not your dad. Well, can you be a daddy figure? Dad figure? Sure, whatever. You're creeping me out. Okay. Lesson 1 of being a Black Angry Bird. Okay. 1. Explosion. Okay. That's pathetic. More like this. Okay. Nuclear blast. Okay. Good. Next one. Green Angry Birds. I mean not green Angry Birds. Pigs. Okay. This is a pig. He intimidates me, so I get angry. I hate him. Good. You complete lesson 3. Being angry. Lesson 4. Know a friend from foe. First one. Okay. Is this good? Okay, for now, sit on him. I'm gonna be rolling away for a while. Okay. Friend or foe? Friend. Yay. Friend or foe? Foe. He scares me. Friend or foe? He looks like the devil dude, so I hate him too. Okay. You're getting arrested for not having exploding people license. Oh yeah, that was lesson 5. I forgot. Stupid Black Angry Bird.
I thought that was lesson 4. Oh, never mind.
Explosion! No, I'm falling into it. He will never be seen until next episode.
Or never be seen again.
Okay. Hey, is this the evil version of me? No, I'm just the devil version of you. Well, I still hate you because you're different. Hell's rage! Mommy!
So there's time.
Okay.
Random part.
I do not like this at all. May the person in charge kick him over here. I need to arrest him with charges. Thank you. You are arrested for trying to teach somebody how to explode without teaching them the proper etiquette. There are many things going wrong.
How is there proper etiquette when blowing something?
Okay, whatever. Okay, you are getting arrested for coming on surface. You're a devil. You're not supposed to do things like that. Okay. You are getting arrested for hitting somebody because they're different.
Oh, that's different.
You're arrested for being evil. Okay. Random fact. Okay. Did you know that next episode we're doing something about what was it again? Oh yeah, Legos. No, we're not. We're doing about figuring out the plush key. The person. You are being interrupted for not knowing, for giving out false information.
Oh.
You are getting arrested for calling somebody an idiot. And you are also getting arrested for being evil.
Good one. Ow. You should have known that was that.
And I am getting I'm arresting you for trapping somebody and being homosexual. You're without a license.
Wait. So many questions I'd like to ask.
And I am arresting myself for arresting more than 3 people per day. Okay.
Am I the only one not arrested?
Oh yeah, you're getting arrested for not telling the end of this thing already.
Aw, dang it.
Now, what you're being punished for is ending this whole thing.
Ah!
End it now.
I forgot. Wait, we never went this far.
I don't care.
Goodbye.
Make up something.
Goodbye.
See you next episode.